Vauxhall Corsa's ticking and it sounds like the engine's gone, it's probably not gone, it's the swirl flap. So watch me in the video now and I'll show you exactly what to do. So the swirl flap runs through this rod here. When there's vacuum to it, it makes this horrible ticking noise. That sounds like the rods have gone or something's gone inside the engine, but it hasn't. It is just this plastic manifold that's broken. I'll release it now. It runs absolutely fine, so don't scrap your Corsa if you've got a ticking noise. Check that first. So this morning we've got this BMW X5 40D in. We've got a lot of carbon fibre going on with the vehicle. We've got these big 22-inch wheels with the red calipers. We're going to put some life back into this black paint. We're going to fully clean it off, decontaminate all the tree sap, the leaves, and then we're going to fully machine polish the vehicle to make it look brand new again. As you can see, walking over to the vehicle now, the tree sap has started to eat into the paint, so the customers actually brought this vehicle into us at the perfect time before the damage gets any worse. And then just moving on to the final job of the day, we've got this local electrical firm in for pads all round and a service ready for work on Monday. As you can see, there's Sam here just disconnecting the brake pads ready for refit.